Discover the amazing health secrets of rosemary. Once a staple in nearly every garden, rosemary remains a cherished plant today for its numerous benefits. Known scientifically as Rosmarinus officinalis, this Mediterranean herb thrives in dry, sunny environments. It is a resilient evergreen shrub that demands minimal care and withstands drought conditions, unlike many other plants sensitive to water shortages. Its preference for sunny, rocky terrain makes it an excellent choice for arid regions or gardeners with limited resources. Rosemary offers a multitude of uses, from culinary applications to medicinal preparations. Its aromatic leaves can be harvested and dried to preserve their flavor. To do this effectively, wash the freshly cut sprigs thoroughly and allow them to dry in the open air for several days, preventing mold formation when storing or adding them to oily infusions. One popular method of using rosemary is to create an oil macerate with olive oil. Simply fill a jar with dried rosemary and cover it with cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil until the herbs are submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a dark place for at least 3 weeks, shaking occasionally to aid infusion. After this period, strain the oil and keep it in a cool location or refrigerator to prolong its shelf life. This infused oil can be used both in cooking, adding a fragrant Mediterranean touch to salads, pasta or seafood, and for external applications. Beyond culinary use, rosemary oil boasts notable medicinal properties. Traditionally, it is employed to boost mood, enhance concentration and memory, and improve digestion. It can also stimulate blood circulation, alleviate certain joint pains, and benefit eye health. When used externally, rosemary oil deeply moisturizes the skin and may promote hair growth. Some studies suggest it could be effective against hair loss, making it ideal for scalp treatments. Best applied in the evening and left overnight. Additionally, rosemary oil can aid those with poor circulation, warming cold extremities, and reducing muscle and joint discomfort associated with rheumatism. Rosemary can also be enjoyed as a herbal tea. Steep a teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water for 5 minutes, then strain. This infusion is excellent for aiding digestion and stimulating circulation. Easy to cultivate, rosemary adapts well to various soils, even poor ones, and thrives in full sun. Its drought tolerance makes it an ideal plant for beginner gardeners or those in hot, dry climates, whether planted in pots or directly in the ground. In summary, rosemary beautifully combines culinary delight with health benefits. Whether used to flavor dishes, soothe ailments, or promote hair health, this hardy herb deserves a prominent place in your daily routine. Its ease of cultivation and resilience make it a natural ally for those seeking holistic wellness and flavorful cooking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health hacks and natural remedies.